Paano mag-spelling sa call center? Hi, I'm Coach Nick and I'm a call center agent for more than 10 years now. By the way guys, kung gusto mo maging isang call center agent subalit hindi ka magaling mag-English, well, I have the perfect ebook for you. It's called the No English Call Center Agent. It's a complete step-by-step guide kung paano maging isang call center agent kahit na hindi ka magaling mag-English. Just message me the word ebook. There's a link down on the description box below on my Facebook page so I can send you this ebook. Now, sa call center kasi guys, most of the time, we need to spell some words to our customers because we work over the phone. So we need to make sure that the words and the information that we give to our customers are correct. And also, in my own opinion, this is the best way on how to start learning on how to become a call center agent, especially for beginners, because you learn on how to use how to use the A, B, C, or the alphabets we use in the call center. Actually, it's called the NATO Alpha Phonetics. Now, I'm gonna show to you and read to you the complete Alpha NATO Phonetics. So I want you to listen carefully and to repeat after me as much as you can. Listen on how I pronounce the words and then try to repeat after me. Let's start. A for Alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, D for Delta, E for Echo, F for Foxtrot, G for Golf, H for Hotel, I for India, J for Juliet, K for Kilo, L for Lima, M for Mike, N for November, O for Oscar, P for Papa, Q for Quebec, R for Romeo, S for Sierra, T for Tango, U for Uniform, V for Victor, W for Whiskey, X for X-ray, Y for Yankee, and a Z for Zulu. Now let me give you an example on how we use the Alpha NATO phonetics in the call center. For example, I'm gonna spell my name. This is how I'm gonna use the Alpha NATO phonetics. Hi sir, my name is Nick. That's N for November, I for India, C for Charlie, and a K for Kilo. I promise you, this is very, very helpful in your call center journey. You can practice this by spelling your name, email address, or any words that you love, English words that you love to spell. By the way guys, kung gusto mo maging isang call center agent, subalit hindi ka magaling mag-English, well, I have the perfect ebook for you. It's called the No English Call Center Agent ebook guide. It's a complete step-by-step guide kung paano maging isang call center agent kahit na hindi ka magaling mag-English. Just message me the word ebook on my Facebook page. There's a link down on the description box below. And also, I recommend you watch my last video kung paano maging isang call center agent kahit na hindi ka magaling mag-English. Also, there's a link down in the description box. And see you on my next video.